In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a download link in Dreamweaver. Let's get started by opening Dreamweaver. It's a powerful tool for web development, and having it ready is the first step to creating your download link. With Dreamweaver open, the next thing you need to do is put your file inside your website folder. This is important because Dreamweaver accesses files relative to your main website directory. For example, if your file is a PDF named resume, it should be named resume.pdf and placed directly in this folder. Doing so ensures that your download link will correctly locate the file when users click on it. This step may seem minor, but it prevents broken links later on. Now, open the HTML page where you want to add your download link. This page is where visitors will go to download your file. By opening the correct HTML file, you ensure that the link appears exactly where you intend on your website. It's all about placing the link where it makes the most sense for your users. Next up, click Split View. This feature in Dreamweaver allows you to see both your code and a visual preview at the same time. This dual perspective is beneficial because you can immediately see how changes to your code affect the appearance of your page. Once you're in Split View, you can easily edit and verify your work in real time. Now add this line of code inside the body section of your HTML. Open angle bracket ahref equals quote resume.pdf quote download close angle bracket download resume open angle bracket /a close angle bracket. What this does is create a hyperlink on your page that initiates a file download when clicked. This is a simple yet effective way to allow users to download documents directly from your site. After that, replace resume.pdf with your actual file name. It's crucial to match the file name exactly, including any uppercase or lowercase letters, as file names are case sensitive. This ensures the link correctly points to your file and avoids any file not found errors for your users. With that ready, save your page. It's always a good practice to save your changes frequently to avoid losing any work. Saving your changes also updates the live version of your site, so you can preview it accurately in the next step. Click Live View or press F12. This action lets you see your page as it will appear in a browser. It's a great way to double-check that everything looks and functions as intended before you go live. This step is crucial because it allows you to catch any last-minute errors before your users do. Finally, click the download link you've just created. This will test that the link works correctly and that the file downloads as expected. Seeing the download start confirms that everything is set up properly and your users will have no trouble accessing the file. And there you have it. That's how you add a download link in Dreamweaver. Remember, getting these small details right makes your site more professional and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!